Hi you guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Renee Parks for those of you that don't know. In today's video, we're actually going to be creating this eye look here. I'm trying to do a whole lot of different videos on just strictly like eyeshadow looks. If you guys want to see how I did this eye look, this like purple mustard, I don't know what kind of color you guys want to consider it to be or what you guys want to call it, but if you guys want to see how I did this eye look, definitely keep watching, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. All right, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so you guys, my face makeup is already done. Since this is going to be a makeup tutorial on eyeshadow, I'm strictly just going to be focused on eyeshadow today. I'm really going to be trying to push out a lot of videos this week for like different eye looks and stuff like that. I'm actually going to be going in with the Chasing Rainbows by ColourPop, Cosmetics. It's a new palette. I've only used it like once. So these are the different, oh, I think I just dug my finger in it. Yeah, I did. I hate when I do that. So these are the different shades. Really, really, really pretty colors. So some of the colors that I'm going to be going in with today is going to be the So Meta, the Filling It, and then the Redness. Oops. And then I might do some Wiggles. I don't know. We're just going to play it by ear. Whatever I do, I just do it because I really don't even know. The first thing I did already set, like, you know, my eyelids and stuff. Some people prefer to set, some people don't. It's completely up to you. But the first thing that I'm going to actually do is go in with my transition shades. I got these new makeup brushes from Luxie, actually for Christmas. So I'm going in with the Luxie 205 brush. And it's kind of like a tapered brush, and I'm going to start off with the transition shade first, which again was Wiggles. So that's this color here. I'm just going to start off with that color. And then all that I'm going to do is, you know, because it's just a transition shade, so I'm just going to start in my crease. Like so. And I'm just really going to be like laying this color down to ensure that like once I start with the other colors, like everything just kind of blends smoothly. If you guys hear my son, one of them or both of them, I do apologize. I try to like get them to be quiet, but you know, as always, they just don't like to be quiet. Like that's just what it is. Like, and I don't know which one is worse. Like the oldest one or the youngest one. I just don't even know. Oh, here comes the youngest one. I'm filming right now, son. No. Okay, so I have that down. Now I am going to go in with a different brush. This is my Morphe E27 brush. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pick up some of the Filling It, which is going to be this color. So I'm going to pick up some of the Filling It. And this kind of has like a glittery sparkle to it. I don't really know how this eye look is going to turn out. I don't know, you guys. It's always like fun to like kind of see like how it like looks at the end. And I just kind of wanted to blend in with the previous shade, the transition shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Realness. Now for realness, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. Let me see, what brush am I going to go in with realness? For realness, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 506 brush, and this is realness, which is going to be this shade here. I'm going to take the smaller Morphe brush because I'm not sure how pigmented it's going to be, so it's not real pigmented, so I could maybe go in with a bigger brush since it's not that pigmented. I'm going to switch over to the Morphe E17 since this is a little bit bigger brush. Since it's not that pigmented, I was definitely thinking it was going to be a lot more pigmented than what it is. But since it's not, we can go ahead and use a bigger brush. I'm really liking this color. Like when you see it in the palette, it looks more like burgundy or like a red maroon type of color, but then when I put it on, I feel like it's more like a purple. You guys, oh my goodness, I don't know what to do with myself already. Like I'm telling you, like once I put on like makeup, it's just I become somebody else. Like I don't even understand it. Now, of course, as always, I like to make sure like everything's blended in. So I'm gonna go back in with my first transition shade just to make sure everything's blended in. And then I'm going to go back in with the second like transition shade, and then I'm going to blend that in. I'm telling you guys, sometimes I just be feeling myself a little bit. But it's only when I have makeup on, because like I normally don't feel myself like that. So I don't know. I don't know, like seriously, makeup just does something to me. I don't know. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put like a little bit of concealer on my lid because I'm gonna go in with this next shade. I'm not cut creasing, okay? I'm just like putting it on here so that the color will pop a little bit. I'm not putting a whole lot. Then I'm going to go in with my Luxie. It's a concealer brush, but it's like relatively small. I'm going to actually use this since it's like a flat brush. I'm going to spray some of my Fix Plus so that I can go ahead and pick up this So Meta, which is like a gold kind of shimmery color. Okay. So now I'm going to take the other side of that brush and I'm going to pick up the filling it and I'm going to put that right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with the realness. And then I'm just going to kind of like smoke it out a little bit more. Make sure everything's like blended in together. I'm telling you guys, like for real, like I just become like somebody else. Like I don't even know. All right, so and then I'm just gonna kind of take those shades and apply them underneath. So I'm gonna start out with the realness first. And I'm just gonna get it really close to my waterline. I don't know if you guys could see that. And then I'm just gonna blend them again together. Like, I'm really big on like blending, like seriously. I'm surprising myself. Like, I surprise myself every single time. And then I'm gonna go in with the filling it, and I'm just gonna apply that right underneath and kind of buff it out. I just poked myself in the eye. Ooh. All right, so that's gonna be like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes and some lipstick, and then I will be right back. Okay, so you guys, that is it for the finished look. I decided to go ahead and top it with some, like, you know, purple kind of colory lipstick. And yeah, so I don't know where we're about to go, you guys, but like, I really feel like we need to be going somewhere, because like, we're not looking this good for no reason. Do you hear me? I'm just kidding, just kidding. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If there are any other type of tutorials or makeup looks that you guys would like for me to do a video on, please definitely let me know. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe, so that way you are, you know, notified immediately when I do post new content. Other than that, as always, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and have a good day.